Assalamu alaikum. This is the e-learning management system video tutorial. So in this video tutorial, I will tell you about how the teacher and an administrator make a quiz and how student attend this quiz. So the one thing I want to mention here in e-learning management system, the quiz marking is automatic, and how is automatic, I will explain it later on in this tutorial. So here you see the grade one and grade two grades, and the section is joy. I want to add the quiz in mathematics and the section joy. So when I click on the mathematics, then you see here the view, edit, and then enroll. So in enroll user, you can enroll and unenroll the user. Means if the user who are enrolled in this system, they can only attend the quiz. So if you want to click on it, so you can see this. These are the two student can enroll in this system. So if you want to unenroll, then click here. So for example, I want to add a quiz in the system. So goes to the quarter 4, and here I want to add an activity. Add an activity. Click on it, and here you choose the quiz. Click on the quiz. Click on add button. So the quiz. So here is the quiz. So what's the name of the quiz? For example, quiz one, quiz number one. And here I add the description related to the quiz. This is the important quiz for the topic of parabola. So the total marks is 5. Total marks, for example, is 10. Passing marks is 5. So the date is 8 April 2020. So this one is the display description on the course page. When any student attend this quiz, then what you want, see this description or not. So if you want the student see this description, so click on it. So I click, and here is the timing of the when this quiz is start. So I say this quiz is start at on 8 April 2020, and this time, so choose the time. It's up to you. So click on it. For example, I choose only the 7 right now. So when you want to finish this quiz, and if you want to finish this quiz at any time, so choose the time from here, or from here, any time. Here is you see the time limit. So, for example, this quiz is only for the minute, for 2 minutes, or for something. So you choose the minute from here. Means minute, hours, weekly. So it's mentioned here. It's submit automatic means when the student attempt this quiz, so it automatically submit. Or means when the time is complete, when the time is end, and the student and this quiz is automatically submit, or a student click on the enter and then submit. So you choose from here. So here is the grade. Layout, behavior, appearance, everything is here. Every type of the setting is here. So I click on the click and save and display. So after when I finish this one, then is quiz one, and this description is appear here. So I want to add the questions in a quiz. For so click on the edit quiz. Edit quiz. and after that you can you add the question from here, add a new question. And also if you want to add a bulk questions, means multiple question at the same time in through the Excel file, so you choose this option. So I choose this option right now, the new question. Here is all type of the question: multiple choice, true false, matching, short answer, numerical, essay type, calculated, calculate, all type of the question is here. So right now I choose the true false, for example, add. So here I choose, you choose the question number 1, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So the default marks is 1. So here is, if you want this the question, the numbering of this question is 5, 10, anything you want. So the total I want 10. The this question attain get the marks is 10 if it's true. So the correct answer is true. The feedback is very good. And what's the feedback for the false answer? Need to improve this. And after that, multi tires means if it's incorrect. So what's a penalty? If means if it's incorrect, then it's a minus one. Means the negative marking here. So I just only want the for this one the default mark is one. Okay. So the save changes. I add this question, and so here you see I add a question. So if I want to add a new question, add new question. For example, I add a multiple choice question. Multiple choice, add question number 2, question number 2, and here I write 2 plus 9 is equal to, sorry, 2 plus 9 is equal to, so what's the default marks is 9. So here is the questions. What's the choice? 9 plus 2 is 11, and the grade is 100% is true. So the other one is, for example, 1 1. The grade what type of the means it's 100% true or a 90% true. So I say it's 0%, means nothing. Its answer is wrong. So for example, this one, and here is a multiple tire means penalty mean it's negative marking or not negative marking. So I say it's not negative marking right now. If you want to negative marking from anyone, anyone, so it's up to you. So click on the save changes. So here is the quiz one, two. I add the two question. These are the two questions. So how this quiz attempt from the student side. So I log in as a student is here. Ali Rada as a student. So this is mathematics, because it's only here is only show that one book, because I only add the student into a mathematics. So when I click on it, I click on it. Then you see here, here you see here the quiz one. So when I click on it, here is detail of the quiz. This is important quiz. So here I click on the attempt quiz. This is the student screen. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. It's true. Then next step. So here 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So for example, I just only attempt this question as a false. So 9 plus 2 is equal to 13, for example. So finish attempt. So return to attempt or a submit or finish. When I click on the submit or then it say it's you didn't be make the next means you didn't be attempt the next time. So I just submit and finish. So here is the answer of these questions. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 is the true, and here is 2 plus 2 and 9 plus 2 is equal to it's wrong. Means it's automatically marking. The teacher make a quiz and the student and the student see automatically marking here because the teacher make a quiz according to the answer given the answer of the question. So this is the student side. So I show you the teacher side right now. So this is the teacher side. I show you how teacher know about this student attempt the quiz or not. So click on it, quarter 4, and go through the quiz 1. Here you see the teacher see the attempt 1. So when I click on the attempt 1, so it's mean the one student attempt this quiz. So here is shown the Ali Raza attempt this quiz and time taken is 45 second and the grade is only a 10, he get the one marks out of 10. So the quiz one it's true and the question 2 is false. So this is the also graphically showing. So this is the result of this one. I think everything is clear from about the quiz system. So thank you for this one. In the next video, I will show you then another things.